March 7th, 2026, Los Angeles. It is 11:15 p.m. A 911 caller says a woman is breaking things in a store. She has a knife and scissors. Minutes after police arrive, a deadly shooting is caught on camera. Let's watch exactly how this happened.
LA City 911 for 938.
Yeah, can you send the police here at 1500 on Figueroa? 4 streets with all the beach at this.
And why do you need the police, sir?
Yeah, we have a white lady up in there, came in, is right behind the counter, came and took cigarette, opened it, smoking, and he has a knife, he have scissors with him. They bring the dog in, the dog have no leash on him. He's in the store trying to fight. He said, this store is his store, this store belongs to him.
What color clothing does he have on, sir?
He has a pink shirt on, and a gray jean.
Gray jeans, okay. And you said he's armed. Does he have the knife in his hand or is it in his pocket?
Yeah, he has a knife, he has scissors, and in his back they have the dog. The dog don't have no chain.
Okay, hang on one second.
Bring the dog.
I'm sorry, is the knife in his hands or is it in his pocket or his backpack?
His hand.
Okay, it's a knife. Is it a pocket knife, a kitchen knife?
Pocket knife, and he have the scissors in his hand, in his pocket.
Okay, so he has a knife and scissors as well.
Mom, we need a police.
Sir, I need to ask you these questions for the police. I need to ask you these questions for the police so please answer my questions. Does he have knife and scissors? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah,
yes or no? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
What type of dog is it?
Yeah, well, I don't know what kind. I can't describe it. The dog has
is it large or small?
A small dog. No, small dog. Not too small, but small dog.
Is he threatening anyone with the weapon? Did he threaten the clerk with the weapon?
Well, the way he look, he's threatening us. That's how he look.
So looking and threatening is different. Did he threaten anyone with a knife, yes or no?
Well, he didn't threaten us with a knife, but he has a knife with him. He has a scissors. He came in.
Is he behind the counter still, sir? Is he behind the counter still?
Yeah, he's there right now. Yes, right now.
What's your name and telephone number?
My phone number is... My name is...
Sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, stand along with me. Let me get some officers going. Don't hang up. Southeast Units, possible ADW suspect there now, 15-3 South Figueroa inside the city. Suspect's a male white, wearing a pink shirt, gray jeans, holding a pocket knife, has scissors in his pocket, has a small dog off leash. Stand by for additional incident 4771 NRD 1881. Southeast Unit for the code 3 unidentified. Is he still behind the counter, sir?
Yes, ma'am. It's inside the store. It's right here. Customers are looking at her. Everybody. It's crazy.
Is it a man or it's a man, correct? Not a woman?
She's a lady.
It's a woman. Okay.
She's a lady. Yeah.
Look at the security video here. The suspect, 53-year-old Cynthia Akers, is hiding behind the counter. Look closely down here. There's a small puppy at her feet. When the police walk in, their job is very hard. They need to arrest an armed suspect without hurting the dog. Watch how the officers walk up. They pull out tasers, not real guns, to handle the knife threat.
Go outside. Go outside.
Turn around.
Turn around.
You're going to get tased. It's going to hurt really bad.
I sure will.
Okay.
Listen.
No, you listen.
Turn around.
You're
or you're
not
gonna
even
get
real
tased.
cops.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right.
Who's your authority? Who is?
Listen to the audio. They give loud, clear orders telling her to turn around. They try to calm things down. They even warn her about the taser so the dog does not get hurt, but things go wrong fast. She does not listen. Watch this moment carefully.
Hey, can you just stay on her?
Hey, we don't hurt your dog.
Hey, don't grab anything.
Yeah, I'm grabbing.
The police stand back to talk to her, but then she reaches into a bag on the counter. Look at this frame. She pulls out what looks like a black gun and points it right at the cops. The officers face a deadly threat and have only a split second to react. They shoot.
Hey, don't grab anything.
Yeah, I'm grabbing. It's grabbed.
But here is the big twist. When police checked the scene later, they found out the weapon was just a fake pellet gun. So is it legal for police to shoot someone holding a fake gun? Yes, under a rule called objective reasonableness. The law judges police based on what they saw and felt in that exact scary moment, not what they learned later. Many fake guns look 100% real. To those officers in the dark, the threat looked deadly. It is a sad ending caused by a fake weapon. The police are still investigating this case, and that little puppy you saw, it was safely rescued by animal control. That's it for today. If you liked the video, then support us with a subscribe.